Hi guys, how are you doing? I trust you're good. In today's vlog, we are doing something very simple. Welcome and join me in these bananas and eggs. Then we have thorn melon. Just stay tuned and see what we are going to do. First of all, I apply oil. Armies. I apply it on my hands. Feel this and this sticking substance. If I don't apply oil, it stick on my hands. That's what I'm trying to avoid. So pause. Guys, you can see my hands. It doesn't have that black sticking stuff from the bananas because of the oil that I applied earlier on. Well, let me reveal what we are going to make. We are making banana crisps. We've shaped them. This is how they look like. So it's time to get to the next step. They're very clean, guys. First of all, we want to, I don't know if it is the right word to use, to marinate our crisps. First of all, I add some black pepper. Then turmeric powder. Not so much. Then Spanish paprika. Then egg yellow. This one is very much colorful, so I'm just using a little bit of it. Finally, some salt to season. And then we mix together. Then we get something like this ready for deep frying. These guys, you see? Our banana crisps are ready. Though some broke, I noticed why. It is because of over stirring when they are not yet ready. Just give them time to cook before turning them. But they are nice. They are good to go. You see? We are doing eggs in a different style. Just wait and see. I needed a yolk, guys. That's why I needed to separate the egg white and the yolk. When you do yours, make sure you separate the egg yolk, egg white, and then you mix well like this separately. I'm just illustrating. First of all, we start with our egg yellow. Just spread it as always like this. We get back to our egg white, then make sure you beat. The next thing I'm going to do, you add some sugar. I have not used any salt. Then continue
I think
whisking.
I should have done at least more than 3 eggs because the pan is so big. The pan is large. I feel disappointed,
Next,
guys.
egg white. You see how it's coming out nicely? White sides, yellow in the middle. That's what I wanted to achieve. Let me just turn it and cook the other side. Again turning. Very beautiful, guys. You can see. That's our snack, guys. Very simple, affordable, and healthy. Our banana crisps, sugar egg, and a thorn melon. Time to dig in. That's all for today, guys. Continue subscribing. Thank you for always watching.